Hey guys, today we're going to be checking out two LED camping lights that operate on 3 AA batteries. We'll be right back. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to be checking out these two LED camping lights by Vont. V-O-N-T. I am extremely impressed with these babies. They give off an immense amount of light for what they are. And they're specifically for camping. The best part about it is that they just operate on regular AA batteries, 3 of them. And let's get to it. This is the light. There is no on-off switch. Soon as you pull this baby up, it lights up. And it's dimmable by lowering the light, the type of output. Soon as you drop it down to a specific spot, it shuts off the light. That is it. Simple, easy to use, nothing fancy. Uses 3 AA batteries. These are rechargeable for this demonstration. Comes with 2 lamps. Of course, I will have a link in the description below to purchase these babies. And I'm giving this the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating for versatility. It's user replaceable batteries. Uses 3 and comes with 6 AA batteries with the kit. So you can start using them right away. I just use rechargeables. If you use alkalines, they will be slightly brighter because rechargeables only put out 1.2 volts. So it's only 3.6 versus 4.5. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. JoeteckTips always gives non-biased reviews. And if it's useful, it gets the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating. And if it sucks, it does not. And I always tell you the truth. By the way, coming soon will be the Zoom F6 field recorder. Looking forward to reviewing that. That should be coming here either Saturday or Sunday of this week. Very excited. We're going to check it out. Take care, and we'll see you next time.